Junie is lovable, she's intelligent, she's respectable. Well, I might have been this redhead's husband, but I fear her as a companion, as a girl of society. Junie keeps baffling me. Well, the thing I can't understand with her, she could drink too much water. Oh, Junie, you could drink water, oh. I never met a girl who drink water so. Junie is a water gobbler, like a camel out on the Sahara. The interesting thing about this redhead, she would take all of this water in bed. Most women will take a cup of tea, but Junie detests formality. When she takes a little whiskey, that's the time Junie gets thirsty. Well, she suddenly flares up to Fahrenheit, bawling for water all through the night. Junie, you could drink water. I never met a girl to drink water so. Junie is a water gobbler, like a camel out on the Sahara.